Have you ever wondered what secrets our planet still hides from us? Even in this modern age of satellites, AI, and space exploration, there are still corners of Earth that defy explanation. Places where compasses spin wildly, where time itself bends, and where even the most advanced scientists can only shrug and say, "We don't know." From a desert that swallows cities, to a river that glows with impossible colors, these are the most mysterious places on Earth that science still can't explain. So buckle up, my curious friends, because once you start this journey, you may never see our world the same way again. 1. The Barsakelmes Plateau, Kazakhstan, the land of no return. In the heart of Kazakhstan lies a barren stretch of land that locals call Barsakelmes, meaning the place of no return. For centuries, people have vanished here. Travelers, herders, even entire groups, gone without a trace. Those few who returned spoke of time running strangely, of days passing in minutes, of unfamiliar stars in the night sky, and eerie lights moving silently over the horizon. Scientists have surveyed the area, but no one can explain the strange magnetic disturbances or why radio signals vanish there. The land once formed an island in the Aral Sea, but now it's an isolated plateau surrounded by salt and dust. Some say it's a natural anomaly. Others whisper it's something not of this earth. Would you dare to step foot there, knowing that history says you might not return? 2. The Colossus of the Apennines, Italy, the stone giant that breathes. Hidden in the forest near Florence stands a massive stone giant, half man, half mountain. Built in the 1500s by the mysterious sculptor Giambologna, this towering figure is said to be alive. Inside the statue's stone body lies a network of secret chambers, pipes, and tunnels. Some lead to fountains, others to mechanical devices that once made the giant breathe, cry, and even sweat. How could an artist from 500 years ago create such lifelike mechanics without modern technology? Some say it was pure genius. Others think there's something supernatural within the stone. And the biggest mystery, we still haven't fully explored what's hidden deep inside the Colossus's heart. 3. Skellig Michael, Ireland, the island of the archangel, rising like a jagged tooth from the Atlantic. Skellig Michael is a place straight out of legend. 1,000 years ago, monks built a monastery at the island's peak with nothing but primitive tools. To reach it, they climbed 600 uneven stone steps, carved by hand, as waves crashed below. The monks claimed Archangel Michael himself watched over them. But how did they survive on this brutal rock for centuries? Even today, archaeologists can't explain how they managed to construct beehive huts that have withstood storms for over a millennium. The mystery deepens when you learn that Skellig Michael also served as a filming location for Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Maybe the Force really is strong here. 4. The Bermuda Triangle, where everything disappears. Planes vanish. Ships never return, and no one knows why. The Bermuda Triangle, between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, has swallowed over 75 aircraft and 300 ships. Even search teams sent to find them disappeared. Some claim it's magnetic anomalies. Others say methane bubbles rising from the sea floor. And then there are those who whisper aliens. Whatever the reason, this patch of ocean still defies logic. Would you dare to fly over it? Detect strange magnetic patterns. Compasses go wild. And sometimes, radio contact just cuts out, as if the sea itself is hungry. Circular pyramid. 5. The Pyramid of Quiquilo, Mexico, the round pyramid that shouldn't exist. In bustling Mexico City stands a circular pyramid, unlike any other in the world, built over 2,000 years ago by a civilization no one can name. Quiquilo was buried under volcanic lava. When scientists uncovered it, they found altars and carvings worshipping the old god of fire. Ironically, fire destroyed them all. What's most bizarre, Quiquilo is perfectly round, defying the pointed pyramid design of every other ancient culture who built it. How did they shape it so precisely, and what happened to them? The answers are still buried beneath layers of molten history. 6. Al Nazla Rock Formation, Saudi Arabia. The perfect split. Deep in the Saudi desert lies a massive sandstone boulder, sliced cleanly down the middle, like someone cut it with a laser. Each half rests perfectly balanced on tiny pedestals. How? No one knows. The smoothness of the split is impossible to achieve with natural erosion. Some say tectonic stress, others alien technology. Ancient carvings on its surface, camels, humans, and symbols, suggest it held ritual significance. But one question remains: who or what cut the Al Nasla rock with surgical precision thousands of years ago? And 7. The Barabar Caves, India, impossible stone, perfection. Carved over 2,300 years ago, these ancient Indian caves are polished so smoothly that walls reflect like mirrors. Even with today's laser cutting tools, That level of precision would be hard to match. Yet these caves were made by hand, out of solid granite. Who carved them? The Ajivikas, a mysterious ascetic sect that vanished without trace. Their inscriptions speak of enlightenment, but their disappearance adds an eerie silence to these glimmering halls. Standing inside, you can hear every whisper echo forever, like the caves themselves are listening. 8. Caño Cristales, Colombia, the liquid rainbow. Imagine a river that flows with 5 colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and black. That's Caño Cristales, often called the River of 5 Colors. Scientists say it's due to a rare aquatic plant that changes color when sunlight hits it. But locals have another story, that the river is sacred, painted by gods to mark the bridge between life and death. Only one place on Earth can produce this effect. One wrong step, though, and you could disturb a world older than humanity itself. 9. Kawah Ijen, Indonesia, the Lake of Blue Fire. High in an Indonesian volcano lies the world's most acidic lake. Its waters are so corrosive they could dissolve metal. But at night, something magical and terrifying happens. The volcano burns with blue fire. Scientists say it's ignited sulfur gas, but the sight is so surreal that many believe it's the gateway to another world. Miners still work there, bathed in poisonous fumes, as blue flames dance around them like spirits. This is nature's beauty and danger in perfect harmony. 10. The lost city of the Kalahari, the vanished civilization. In the 1800s, explorer Guillermo Farini returned from Africa with stories of a stone city hidden beneath the Kalahari Desert. He described towering walls and ancient ruins, proof of a forgotten civilization. But when others went searching, they found nothing. Satellite scans show strange geometric shapes under the sand, but no one's dared to excavate fully. So is it a mirage or a real city swallowed by time itself? 11. Eternal Flame. Falls, New York. Fire beneath the water. A small waterfall in New York hides a surreal secret. Behind its curtain of water burns a tiny, eternal flame. No logs, no fuel, just fire and water existing together, defying nature. Scientists traced it to natural methane leaks, but the flame's strength and longevity are unexplainable. Locals believe it's spiritual, a sacred light guiding lost souls. Stand there long enough, and you might start believing that too. The sky's hidden message. Since the 1930s, strange glowing orbs have floated over Norway's Hessdalen Valley. Some appear as bright as headlights. Others hover silently for hours before vanishing. No one knows what they are. Ball lightning, plasma energy, UFOs. Even NASA has studied them, but no explanation fits every case. In one half of the Brule River, the water flows normally. In the other half, it disappears into a deep hole and never comes out. Scientists have dropped dyes, ping pong balls, even GPS trackers, but nothing has ever resurfaced. Some think it tunnels underground into Lake Superior. Others believe it flows into a hidden cave system. Whatever the truth, the Devil's Kettle remains one of the most baffling mysteries of the natural world. A small hill in Lithuania holds over 100,000 crosses. No one knows who started placing them or when. Every time the government cleared it, the crosses reappeared overnight. Locals say spirits protect the hill. Others think it's a message that faith cannot be erased. Stand there at night with the wind whispering through 1,000 rosaries, and you'll understand why even skeptics call it sacred.